A hiatal hernia occurs when part of the stomach pushes up through the diaphragm opening and into the chest cavity. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. It passes through the diaphragm at the esophageal hiatus. Here, the lower esophageal sphincter controls the passage of food. A hiatal hernia occurs when the upper stomach pushes up. It moves through a defect in the diaphragm. When the lower esophageal sphincter fails to close properly, stomach contents can flow backward into the esophagus. This backward flow is known as gastroesophageal reflux.
This animation shows the stomach returning. It slides below the diaphragm. This strengthens the opening, supports the stomach, and improves the anti-reflux barrier. Notice the upper stomach wrapping the lower esophagus. This creates a stronger valve, closing the junction effectively.
Following treatment, the stomach is restored to its normal position. It remains securely in place below the diaphragm.
Here we see a hiatal hernia, where the stomach slides above the diaphragm. After repair, the stomach is returned to its proper position. This restores the natural anti-reflux barrier.
Coordinated muscle contractions move food down the esophagus. The sphincter opens, then closes to prevent reflux. The stomach then relaxes to accommodate the meal. This animation shows the healthy postoperative anatomy. The hiatus is repaired, with the stomach positioned correctly.